am here today to show you the letter Z. The letter Z, as you might know, is at the end of the alphabet. It's the last letter in the alphabet. So on our chart, it's zebra, zebra, z, z, z. That's the sound. So when I think of the letter Z, I think of a zebra. And if I say the word zebra, I hear that Z sound at the beginning of the word zebra. So let's go ahead and get out your materials, a pencil, crayons, whatever you want to write on is great with me. So the capital Z is going to start at the top, and both Z's will have straight lines, no curves. So watch how I'm going to do that. If I'm starting right here, I'm going to do a straight line, stop. So I've completely stopped. And then I'm going to diagonal down. Oh, it kind of looks like a number 7, right? And then instead of leaving it like that, I'm just going to go straight across the bottom. So make a straight line across the top, diagonal line down, and then a straight line on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. How are you doing with your Z's? 1, 2, 3. Z. The name is Z. Say it with me. Z. 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 Now when I want to do the lowercase z's, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm just going to make it smaller. So I'm going to start here in the middle. I'm going to go straight line, diagonal down, straight line. 1, 2, 3. These are like baby Z's, right? 1, 2, 3. Now be careful that your line is not like that, right? You don't want it to go straight down. See how it goes in like that and then out again. So it's 1, in, out again, like that. Those are our lowercase z's. Z, 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 Z. Now let's put them together and then we'll practice the sounds. We're going to make a capital Z, taking up the whole space. Now it's important that when you're writing a letter, you're not writing it like that. You don't want it to be floating in the air, right? You want it to touch the ground and touch the top. So with my little z, I'm going to touch the middle like that. Capital Z, lowercase z. Z, Z. Let's do another big one. So we'll just kind of make a pattern, big, small, big, small, big Z, little Z. Okay? Z, 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 Z. And then you can keep practicing your Z's. So it's important, what you want to do is remember the name of the letter. You want to remember the sound that it makes. Remember the picture that goes with it, because by knowing the picture that goes with it, if you know it is a zebra for Z, then if you forget the sound, you can say zebra, and then listen for the sound you hear at the beginning of zebra. And then we're going to keep going. And then you can write as many as you want and then see which ones you like the best when you're done. You might even want to do more than this. Okay? So just keep working on your Z's. Remember the name and remember the sound. Remember, this is our last letter of the alphabet. So I will see you again tomorrow, and I'll actually get to see you in a meeting tomorrow, and we'll see how many letters you picked up. While you're here, let's just take a moment and go over the letters that we had earlier in the week to make sure that you didn't forget any of them. So last week we had this letter. What is the name of this letter? K. Did you remember it? And what is the sound? K. K. Say it with me. K. K. Sound is K. Okay, let me give you another one. What is the name of this letter? What is the name? P. Sound is P. Did you remember it? Okay, let's look at yesterday's letter. Do you remember this one? H. Did you get it? H. Sound is So tomorrow I'm hoping that you will remember the names and the sounds of these letters. We have K, P, H, and then we have today's letter Z. Z. Great. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you, Mariana.